All parties on Kelly versus Palmer. Swain, step forward, please.
When Larry Kelly and Tanya Swain were married, they had a dog named Terry. After they divorced, they shared custody of Terry. Now, he says she won't let him see his best friend, Terry.
You know, judges have to make decisions about custody of children that are very difficult. There really is no law in any jurisdiction that I know about that covers the joint custody or the visitation of a pet.
Well, don't look at Terry as a pet, another type of person.
I understand that that's the way most people feel about their animals. And let me tell you something, I'm an animal lover, which is why this case sort of haunted me over the weekend. Your lawsuit is for $5,000. Now, that certainly is not going to compensate you if I say goodbye. You understand that the jurisdiction, as I've explained to you, of a court in this area is difficult because I can say, well, you have to see Terry every other weekend. That wouldn't be real because you cannot enforce that when it comes to a pet. So I had a real problem with this case. Go ahead.
If I may, now, it hasn't been every other weekend. This has been over a 5-6 year period. I've had Terry for 5-6 months at a time. Return her. She has Terry for 5 or 6 months. When we divorced, I left her everything except for Terry. I didn't leave with anything.
Your Honor.
Now here, 5-6 years later, she's trying to take Terry, my friend, not my doggie, my friend.
Your Honor, Larry needs to get a new dog and a life.
Let me ask you this question.
He needs to just get over it.
Let me ask you this question, Tanya. You have a new baby.
Yes, and Terry and the baby are bonding. Terry licks my baby's toes. She's 3 months old. And, I love Terry. Terry's my dog. I want my baby to grow up with my dog.
You think he loves the dog, too?
I'm sure he does. I'm sure he loves Terry.
So we have to find a reasonable solution to this. This is your lawsuit. So if you just give me a minute.
The case of who gets Terry continues in a moment.
Let me tell you how I spent my weekend. Yesterday morning, after I read your case, I picked up a copy of the Los Angeles Times. I read in your case that your dog, Terry, is a black Cocker Spaniel, right?
Yes, she
It was
is.
buried in the facts here. I said, no way both of these people are going to leave whole. And I certainly don't want to participate, Tanya, in putting a strain on your marriage. And I have a feeling that your being around Larry puts a strain on this marriage. Right?
Yes, that's correct.
And you don't want that to happen. They have a new baby. You're starting out new. You're looking at it. It's cute, right?
Cute doggy, cute doggy, cute doggy.
Well, come on up here, Larry. Come on up here, Larry. This dog has your name on it. Is that a cutie? You want to just hold it for a second. Just hold it for a second. I did.
Precious, precious. Ooh, Terry, too.
You owe him $300.
Okay.
You can make it out to my clerk because I paid for it.
Okay.
Love that.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is my doggy. Ooh, precious doggy. I guess that's the best thing there. I need to get out of her life. But my doggy. My doggy.
This one, I always wanted to take home. Is that adorable?
Yeah, she is precious. Thank you.
Judge Judy will return in a moment.
There's no replacement for Terry. But I guess this is the best of... Yeah, I guess. I miss my doggy Terry. I want my doggy Terry. But I have a precious new puppy now.
Oh. I'm pleased. I'm happy that he has a little dog. She's precious, and I'm sure he'll be a good owner, to the puppy. So I'm happy about it. I'm very happy for him.